Hi folks, this is Tesla Tech here. Today we're going to implement a special technique called DNS sinkholes. For that we need to know what exactly is a DNS. So for that we will open our browser and look into Wikipedia. Wikipedia describes it as it translates more readily memorized domains names to numeric IP addresses. That means that if we are searching for something, that first our search is directed to a DNS server which solves it to the IP address, and then we are taken to that IP address. So let's take a look at what a sinkhole is. We will again move on to Wikipedia, which will describe it as a sinkhole is a DNS provider that supplies systems looking for DNS informations with false results, allowing an attacker to redirect a system to a potentially malicious destination. Here another thing is network level disabling. A sinkhole network level disabling I am going to show you right now. For that we are going to use a special tool called Technetium DNS. We will move to the website www.technetium.com/DNS. It's an open source tool both for Windows and Linux. Here we can hit download our setup. I have downloaded mine, you can download yours. And you should remember that this tool only works above Windows 7, that means on Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, because both are having inbuilt version of .NET Framework 4.6.1. as Windows 7 can't support more than 4.5 or I think 4 .NET 4, so this tool can't be installed at that. This can obviously used on servers because it will work great for them if they are using some sort of parental filtering. And this tool also does a wonderful job of blocking ads. It automatically blocks near about ads from 30 or more malicious websites which can't be blocked in any other way if you are using a Wi-Fi from your phone or any other thing. So for that we will run it, and once we run that tool, you are going to an item, you will generate an item tray notification like this, and then you will right click on it and move on to dashboard. It has its own dashboard which runs on our local host. I will show you one thing. Let's take a look. I will do here block zones. I will try to do some sort of parental filtering. I will try to filter www.facebook.com. I want this laptop to block Facebook. Nobody from this laptop should be able to use Facebook, and I will hit block, and here it has generated a script for that. If we take a look at this script, it's showing name. We know that the name of the address is www.facebook.com. type A, doesn't matter. TTL60. What is TTL? Time to live. Okay, that's okay. Value 0.0.0.0. So what is 0.0.0.0? Basically it's a null address. It's going nowhere. It's going to redirect. When we're going to search for Facebook, this search will bounce back to an address that is 0.0.0, which is nothing. Technically it's nothing. So once we have blocked it, it's not going to implement. Now we will again do a right click in here, and now we are going to see this network DNS. First we will check like this. We will try to browse Facebook. So here we are Facebook. Okay, let's close the browser for this time, and now we will switch to our sinkhole which we have generated using Technetium. I will change my network DNS to Technetium. Okay, I will open my browser, and now I will try to search Facebook. Here you see, it's not going to access Facebook anymore because we tried to do a parental filtering direct from our laptop. This is not being done on the ISP side, so you can't spoof this thing. If we had blocked this Facebook website from our main server, that is our ISP server, that could have been blocked, but it can't be blocked right this because we have made a loophole of DNS in which once we start searching for Facebook, it will redirect itself to our null IP address. This technique is very useful on servers in big companies where you want to block certain websites like Facebook or any other social networking. You don't want your employees to do social network at working time, or you can just block everything if you have installed this application on your server. The only thing that would open on their page is that what you have allowed. Not only this, it also does a great job for encrypting our DNS. You might have heard about DNS, but I can guarantee that you won't be totally aware about what encrypting your DNS is. If I take you to a broader vision, your DNS address even can be hacked. It can't be hacked technically, practically, but it can be redirected into someplace else. For example, if I am searching for J&K Bank website and somebody has generated a DNS sinkhole in which the script is directing it to a server which is hosted by him, and it is having a fake website of JK Bank. I will go there, type in my credentials, and I can end in no man's land. So let's take what is encrypting a DNS is. Basically, encrypting a DNS is that nobody can read what DNS you have searched for. It has two types. If I am not incorrect, it is DNS TTL and DNS HTTPS encryptions. Let's take a look. Here, DNS over HTTPS and DNS over HTTL. These are the two types of encryptions. You can read here that what is its thing. You can completely take a look at Wikipedia. For now, I will bid you farewell. Thank you for this short tutorial. Maybe this will give you some concept of DNS sinkholes, and also, just if not sinkholes, you can just learn how to do parental filtering on your own computers. Till then, stay safe.